Someone asked me if I prefer using my Ray-Ban Metas or using a camera like this, the Insta360 GO 3S, as my POV cam, and my simple answer is yes. I honestly love using both of them to capture photos and videos. I pretty much use my glasses every day, so the Metas are awesome because I always have a camera on me that's ready to go, but if I have time to set up or want better footage, I'll pull out one of my action cameras. The best cameras that I have for POV shots would be the GO series cameras from Insta360. I have both the GO 3S as well as the GO Ultra. They both shoot videos at 4K up to 30 frames per second, with the Ultra being able to do 60 frames per second. Also, the GO 3S takes 12 megapixel stills, while the GO Ultra can do 50 megapixel photos. The Ray-Ban Metas are currently in their second gen, and they upgraded their cameras from the Gen 1s. While they both take 12 megapixel stills, the Gen 2 takes videos up to 3K 30, up from the 1080p of the Gen 1s. Between the two GO series cameras that I have, I think the GO 3S is the closest that compares to the Ray-Ban Metas. I'm actually going to make another video comparing the GO Ultra with the Metas, so make sure to subscribe to follow up with that video. But for this video, it's going to be between these two. Now when I first started taking comparison footage, I originally had the GO 3S mounted on my head like this. But then I realized that no one's going to wear the camera like this unless they're a YouTuber. I thought that doing it this way would be the best comparison since the cameras would be as close together as possible. But no one is using the camera like this. So instead, I put it on my chest with a magnetic pendant for these comparisons to see which is the better camera for POV shots, the Ray-Ban Metas or the Insta360 GO 3S. To keep it fair, I'm going to use the default video and audio settings on both cameras. Not like there's a lot of options in the Metas. I have some thoughts that I'll talk about afterwards, but yeah, first, let's get into these comparisons.
Yeah.
Oh, easy. Yes. Thank you. You too. Yeah, can I get the ube cheesecake milk as a milkshake? Alright, so this company, Freedom Japanese Market, reached out to me and wanted to send me this package. It's a family-run business that sells subscription boxes of random snacks in them. I don't even know what's in here, so let's open this up and see what we got. Oh, this is their Halloween snack box, alright? That makes sense since it's almost Halloween. Alright, first off, you have Kit Kat chocolate strawberry Kit Kats. Sakumaru Corn Puffs. That's not Sakumaru Corn Puffs. This is Baby Star Ramen Snack, red pepper soy sauce flavored. Okay, these are the puffs, right? these are it. Okay, these are the corn puffs here. But yeah, just a bunch of snacks here. Let's try something real quick. Like I said, I hated these plums. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and try this. It actually doesn't look that bad. It looks actually like a real plum. Is this? Oh man. It's so salty. But there you go. Awesome box of random snacks. Some really awesome ones. Some unique ones that you have to try. You might like it better than I did. You might like it more. But yeah, this is again from Freedom Japanese Market. The website's right here, but I'll also link it in the description if you want to try this out for yourself. But yeah, let's go ahead and see if my girlfriend wants the rest of these plums.
So what'd you think? I feel like they both obviously take unique POV shots, but with a different vibe. The GO 3S mounted on the chest captures a more stable, action-oriented body perspective. It gives the viewer the more typical chest angle that often shows the hand and arms as you move. It makes the shot feel grounded and showcases the physical effort of the activity. In contrast, the camera on the Meta is at eye level, giving a more personal, spontaneous POV. It gives a more immersive and authentic look by letting the viewer see the world directly from the user's eyes. It's better at capturing candid daily life moments without the obstruction of a mounted camera on the body. The footage from the Metas can be a little more jarring to watch though. I never realized how much I moved my head until I started looking at the videos that I took with my Metas. As you probably noticed, the Metas shoot at a wider 3:4 aspect ratio, while the Go 3S is 9:16. That's if you're using it in the easy capture mode. The Go 3S can do 3:4 if you shoot in free frame mode, but that involves post-processing. But the Go 3S can also shoot horizontal video. This is probably my biggest disappointment in the Ray-Ban Metas. Another big advantage that the Go 3 has is that it can be used in way more scenarios. It doesn't have to only be used as a POV camera. You can mount it to almost anything to capture a third-person point of view. You can use it like a normal action camera, or you can mount it on your head and draw even more attention to yourself than these glasses do. Basically, the Insta360 GO 3S is a real camera. It has better battery life and better filming options. There's also no recording limit on the Go 3S. On the Metas, you're maxed out at 3 minutes, but I've seen from posts that they might be increasing that to 5 minutes. But the Ray-Ban Metas are just so much easier to use because I don't have to carry anything extra with me when I go out. Like I was saying in the beginning, I'm a daily glasses wearer, so literally when I put on my glasses to see, I'm already equipped with a camera. Unlike with the Go 3S where I'll have to deliberately bring it with me, but not just a camera, I'll have to carry the accessories for it too. There's no real better camera between these two. They're both great at what they do and capture different types of footage. If you're someone like me that wears glasses all the time, the Metas are a great option to go with. Nothing beats walking around and being able to take a photo at any moment. But the versatility of the Go 3S is just so hard to beat. I like how it's even smaller than the Go Ultra, but the footage out of this thing destroys the both of these. That's for a different video though. Alright, I'm gonna go find other ways to embarrass myself in public. What am I doing? Which one am I doing? I'm actually gonna make another video comparing the Go Ultra. So instead, I put it on my chest with the where is it? There's a ambulance or a cop car outside my window. You hear it? I like how it's even smaller than the footage. Not the footage. Is that another cop car? Can you hear that one? I don't know why that took me so long to get that little line out.